Everybody, the project that we're going to demonstrate to you is from group 21 of section 11. The project is named Li-Fi or Light Fidelity. We will show you the project and its workings now. First of all, there are two areas, the transmitter and the receiver. As it can be seen, the transmitter uses the input from this keypad, turns it into tangible data streams using light of an LED, which this is normal LED. This information now goes into this LDR or light dependent resistor, which is now perceived by the Arduino inside this box, and then is showcased as whether it's received or not. Just do for the first basic demonstration. If I put 2, it shows received as 2. For 3, the same. And like for zooming to make it more focused, and things like these. So this is how it basically functions. Now let's go into the in-depth of this module. Let's first look into the transmitter. Also note the cables are only for providing these cables are only for providing the power, and they're no way assisting the code in any way. Transmitter has a keypad which is connected to
the 20. May please come to the staff room for presentation and demonstration.
Sorry for that. So these inputs are basically the column pins, which are the black ones, and the row pins, which are the white ones. And now these are connected to this Arduino code, which then detects what character is being pressed. Based on which the Arduino code now makes the characters, which is like 1, 2, 3, A, any of these, and turns them into its ASCII table value in the binaries, which is the zeros and ones. Based on that, the LED is connected to the 8th pin, and what the LED does now is beat at the rate of the ASCII, with 0 being off and 1 being on. This is usually faster than what we can perceive, but because of the limitations of the components that we are using, we are forced to keep such a delay that where it's observable. Usually in the technology where it's like completely advanced and implemented, these variations will not even be visible to the naked eye. The variations are being visible right now. Okay, what happens then? What happens then is that it connects to the LDR sensor. As it connects to now, as the light goes into the LDR sensor, the LDR sensor changes its resistance, based on which it gives the input in a threshold, in a range of a threshold value, right? As this is the case, now we can take a particular value and see if the input, because of the light, is above this set value, and we will call this value the threshold value. The entire sequence of this will be for some characters, and the threshold value will a point where we can see before this is or not, this is 0, after this is 1. This is how it sees how the zeros and ones are working. Moving on to the receiver then. As it is detecting this, the 4 pins of this, how we utilize it then is that these are the 4 pins which is then attached to the Arduino. We are using the LDR's analog pins, ground pins, and live wire pins, connecting that to the Arduino. After which we are using the LCD I2C module, which is basically an LCD module with an integrated circuit present in it. The post which this LCD display is connected to this Arduino, and then this information, which is getting transmitted in zeros and ones through programming, is converted back into characters values, which is implemented by the ASCII code. Now that character value is now showcased here in the sense that if we are putting 2, the value of 2 comes here. The address for this LCD display in a certain sense is of 0x27, which can be found using some more Arduino codes. This was the entirety of our project, which we dubbed as our name Li-Fi. Thank you.